What's up, legends? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are on my favourite beach in the whole world. We are Angel Island. We're on a family day today. We're going to try and get some waves this morning, and then we're going to try maybe get some squid and maybe go for a dive. The weather's looking mint and we're suiting up and we're going for a surf, so stay tuned guys, it's really sick. Son. Yeah. Woo. Oh, so good. Pretty damn good, mate. Pretty damn good. We had a mint surf. we had a really good surf. Everybody got some sick waves. It was a little bit bumpy because of the westerlies, but we still managed to get a few. We did a bit of a sunbathe and we had some lunch. So now we are in around the islands and we're trying to hunt some squid. So yeah, hopefully we can find some squid. Let's see if we can get some.
Are we trolling?
Yeah. Got him? Yeah. There he is. When you're getting close, just bring him around to your right, and then I'll throw the net in and we'll drop in right behind him. All right, just keep coming towards you a bit. All right, drop him back. There we go. One in the bag. Yay!
That's my first squid.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's another one behind him.
You right?
Yeah, cast him behind Isaac's there. There's another one. See? Yep. No, don't point him towards us. Oh.
Got off.
Yep. Oh, he's on. Ready? Bang! You got another one.
Oh, sorry.
Oh,
he spat it. That's a bad casting. Okay.
No, just slowly, Mil. He's coming. He's right there. Oh, you're on, Jess. One.
I'm running. Slowly. Oh.
He's right here. See?
Oh, is he?
Yeah. There you go, Jess. Oh, all right, now leave it, Jess.
Come on, just stop moving.
There you go. You're on.
Slowly.
Just gentle wind. That's all right. Oh, there's a few.
Yeah. It's all right.
Good job.
Get rid of all of the things.
Yep.
Nice.
All right.
Is there any more around?
Yep, there's one over there.
Am I going too slow?
No, perfect. All right, now. Oh, shit. Oh. That's it, we got him.
Good.
Yeah.
Ink.
Yes, Jess.
That's crazy amount of ink on that one. Oh, I got him.
You got him. Oh. All right, bring him in a little bit more. Keep going towards you.
That's not gonna work, Mum. That rod is not gonna work.
Why not?
Oh, there we go.
Something's happening.
Hey!
Woo, they're on. They still there?
I can't see any.
Oh, sorry, Isaac. The drag was too loose, so.
Yeah, I noticed that. That's all good.
No steam.
Yay, squid. Nah, that's a big dugong. Look at him. Hey, big fella.
A sea cow. I've never seen one of those before.
Look at him. Nice.
Any mates?
Can't
Yeah, he
see.
does.
Yeah, he does. Yep. Oh yeah, he's got like 3 mates on your side of Isaac's lure.
Oh, sorry, bud.
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Sorry, Isaac. Hang on.
You're right. They'll leave it there, Mill. They'll come up.
Yeah, what do you need, Jess? You're coming around the side.
Oh, you're on Millie, I think. No, not yet. In a sec. You might be on now.
Yeah, there we go.
Yep.
Oh, I lost him.
That's all right. He's got a few. Keep going, Isaac. Keep going. Keep going. Yep. Phew.
Oh, you got
weed.
You caught a seaweed.
Good job, Isaac.
I was on something, alright? That's a good looking seaweed. I was on something.
Oh, thanks for joining us on the boat today, Millie. Did you have a good time?
Webby, the best day out. You're always a great skipper, and it's been an absolute killer day.
Thank you very much. We had a really good day today. The wind kicked up a bit more than we'd hoped for. We jumped in for a spear. We didn't really do any good except for Isaac. Isaac shot a nice trout, but Millie and I just saw some little fish.
Had a good paddle.
And yeah, but some squid and some surf, so all in all, excellent day.
Excellent. Thanks, Webby.